we'll see. And then if you go across, the second number as it goes down is growing by 1. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that number stays the same through in each row. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So now we're going to go and we're going to solve it. We're going to say 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2, 2. We're going to start with the bigger number, 2, 3. Now we're going to do 3, 4. 4, 5. 5, 6. 6, 7. 7, 8. 8, 9. 9, 10. So see how I counted on for all of those? And if you notice, all of your numbers go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My sum is getting bigger as I move to the right. So now I'm going to do the 2 row. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Oh, you know what? And now I'm going to count on with the biggest number. 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 6. Oops. 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 10. There we go. All right, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 4, 1 plus 1 is 5. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you don't need help with this, feel free to fast forward. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7. Now my biggest number is in front, so I know exactly how to count on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is what your chart will look like when it's filled in. If you notice, the numbers as you go down get bigger by 1, no matter what row, no matter what column you start in. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, and then just 10. Same thing as we go across, they're getting bigger by 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 5. So hopefully you see those patterns. It's very cool. This is a friend of 10, 5 plus 5, 4 plus 6, 3 plus 7, 2 plus 8, and 1 plus 9. Those are all friends of 10 moving along this, this diagonal, okay? Also, something I wanted to point out to you is you, on some of these, have your opposites. So here you have 5 plus 4, but here it's 4 plus 5. So that would be that fact family, right? Here you have 4 plus 3, and here you have 3 plus 4. And notice how they are diagonal on those lines. So down at the bottom it says, and I'm just going to read it to you. I'm just reading these lines. It says 4 plus 6 and 5 plus 5 can help because they have addends that are close to 4 plus 5. 5 plus 4 can help because it has the same addends, 4 plus 5, which is what we just talked about. So 5 plus 4 can help you because it has the same addends as 4 plus 5. So it's knowing those members of those fact families and switching them around that will help you. 4 plus 4 can help because it is a doubles fact and one addend is 1 less than 5. So at the bottom, you're going to write 4 plus 5 equals 9. The next page, how is your way like model it and how is it different? So that's something that only you can fill in. I cannot do that for you. Number 2, which other fact do you think is the most helpful to use when solving 4 plus 5? So this is a personal opinion. I think for number 2, it would be 5 plus 5. Because I know 5 plus 5 equals 10, and then I take 1 away, and it equals 9. So in my opinion, that is the best way for solving 4 plus 5 equals 9. All right, number 3, look at the facts in row A. And here they've given you a new chart. So they go on to the 6s, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2. Look at the facts in row A. What addend is in each fact? So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to erase, I'm going to take these off, first of all. And I'm going to erase this with Mr. Flam's sock. Oh, that's okay. He loves me. This is letter A. This is row B. And this down here, this is going to be row C. I'm going to add on one more row and extend the columns. Remember, it's columns like the White House. And this one has 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 4. And it only goes to the 10 facts. So 6 plus 1, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 8. Or I could follow the pattern, 9, 10. Let's see if that's right. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, I'm good. So it wants to know, look at the facts in row A. All of these are, oh, I'm sorry, this is row A. What addend is in each fact? So if you look at row A, it has 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 6. What addend is in that? The number 4. Okay, so here on this line right here, you're going to write the number 4 because it's all 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus. Okay, remember the addend is what your two numbers are adding together, and you're always seeing 4 in row A. Look at the facts in row B. So here's row B. What addend is in each fact? So 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 5. Hopefully you're noticing that in row B, it is all the number 5. 5 plus 1, now I'm adding 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3 more, 5 plus 4. And then it wants you to fill in the rest of that table. So I kept my table up, and hopefully you have the same table from over here that we just did. You can fill it in right here. So hopefully that'll be fairly easy since we did that all together. All right, so now it says, look at the facts in row C. Oh, now I'm on page 212. I turned the page and I still have the same in row C. Row C is 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 4. What addend is in each fact? Row C is all 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2 is 6. So there you go. Let's see. Look at the facts in column H. Column H. So they're trying to throw you off. Column H. What addend is in each fact? So they're saying this one is G and this one right here is H. And I made an H out of the arrow. So we're in this column. Before it was rows, okay? But now we're in columns. So they want to know here in column H, what addend do you see? 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 6 plus 2. Your book goes on 7 plus 2, 8 plus 2. So hopefully in column H, you see that it is in fact the number 2, that addend that's in every single one of those in that column. So then it also wants you to fill in the rest of the chart. Okay, so you're going to do 7 plus 1, which is 8. And 7 plus 2, 8, 9, which is 9. And you're going to keep going. Okay, what they're doing is they're putting these number bonds in the boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this. If you didn't get it, please feel free to pause it and watch it again. You can even, like I said, just pause it so you can be sure to write down all of those facts. Number 5 at the bottom says complete the subtraction equations. So these are going back to those fact families. So number 5 has, let's see, it has 6 plus 2, and then you're going to write 8 minus 2 equals, and then 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 minus, blank minus blank equals blank. And then 8 plus 2 equals 10. And blank minus blank equals blank. This is what you have in your books. So they want you to take the addition equation and turn it into a subtraction. So before we had learned to take a subtraction and turn it into an addition equation, but here you're just doing the opposite because addition and subtraction are opposites. So I have 8 minus 2 is 6. You're always going to start subtraction with the biggest number. So here I'm going to do 9. Oops, I wrote a 7. But I said 9, so 9 minus 7 equals 2. I'm going to do 10 minus 2 equals 8. Subtraction always starts with the biggest number. The two smaller numbers come after because it's what you have after you've taken away something from it. Okay, the next page right here, this cute little monster, the green, these are our practice pages. And it says, look at the example, then solve problems 1 through 5. An addition table can help you learn facts. It can also help you see patterns. That's something we talked about where the numbers were all the same of some of the addends going down and across. An addition table can help you learn facts. It can also help you see patterns. Below is part of an addition table. And then you're going to use this to solve the problems for numbers 1 through 5. Number 1. Look at the facts in row A. What addend is in each fact? Write the missing totals in row A in the table. So I think what I'll do is I'll just draw this one if this is what we're going to use for the next 5 problems. And that way you guys can see how I would solve it. Oh, okay. So you're only going to use it for the next 2. So here it says, look at the facts in row A. So first of all, a row goes side to side. So we're looking in this row and we're going to look for the addend that's in each fact. So A is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 5. So the addend that is in every single one is 2. So you're going to write down a 2 here. Then it says write the missing totals in row A in the table. So they've done the first row for you, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see how it's counting up? It's a pattern. You're adding 1 every time. 3, 4. If we follow the pattern, it would be 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you need to fill those in. And I'm pretty confident that you can do that when you add on. If you need to draw a picture, go ahead and do that, whatever helps you. Number 2, look at the facts in row B. So here's row B. What addend is in each fact? 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 5. Yes, if you said number 3, you're right. So then you're going to write the missing totals in row B in the table. Number 3 on the next page, when you turn the page, says write the totals in the table. So you're going to do 1 plus 6, which they did for you, is 7. 1 plus 7, 1 plus 8, 1 plus 9. That is what goes all the way across. Then in the next row, you have 2 plus 6, 2 plus 7, 2 plus 8. And then the last row is 3 plus 6, 3 plus 7, and we stop there. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8, 9, 9, 10. This is a great time for you to practice counting on. If this is too hard for you, this is a great opportunity to try again, because that's the only way you're going to get better. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. If you notice, I'm starting with the largest number because it's less work for me to do. 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you notice, look at this. These all equal 10. These all equal 9. These all equal 8. So it's always on that diagonal. Isn't that cool? It's a lot of fun things to see with math and patterns and numbers. All right. Problem number 4 has, again, where we're taking the addition equation and we're turning it into subtraction equations. So you have 4 plus 4 equals 8. Oh, they have it down at the bottom. Is 8. So you're going to do 8 minus 4 equals blank. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 minus blank equals blank. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus blank equals blank. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do problem. This is number 4. I'm going to go ahead and start filling in number 5 too. Okay, so for problem number 4, you're turning it into a subtraction equation. Remember, subtraction always starts with the biggest number, so always the biggest number is going to be this number because you're taking those two and adding it together. So whenever you're adding things, that number is going to grow. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus, and this one you could do either one. It's okay. Either one. You could do 9 minus 4 is 5. You could do 9 minus 5 is 4. 10 minus 6, if it helps you to cross it out, is 4. You could also have done 10 minus 4 is 6. Now down here for problems in number 5, this is kind of interesting because in a roundabout way, they give you both of the addends that you're looking for to make your subtraction equation. So what I want you to do is I want you to, like the book says, fill in the blanks and then do the subtraction equations. So 5, we're going to count on to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to come down here and fill in the blank. 8 minus 5 equals 3. My goodness. There we go. Okay. All right. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I added 4 fingers. Subtraction starts with the biggest number, so I'm going to put my 9 there. The only one that's left is this 5. Okay. But again, they gave you both of those add-ins, but what we're doing is we're practicing counting on. So we're going to start with 5, and we're going to stop at 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is the biggest number, minus 5 equals 5. If I have 10 and I take away 5, I'm still left with 5. All right, good job, boys and girls. I hope you had fun and you learned lots. I am super proud of you, and I will see you tomorrow for some more math.